Fulham programmable drivers offer counter salespeople and contractors the ability to match and reproduce the specifications of a dead driver right at the sales counter or in the field by using our hand programmer. Simply put, Fulham offers one of the lighting industry's most user-friendly interfaces to address the problem of getting LED fixtures back into service in just a few easy steps. Let's take a look at the system. At the heart of the system is the programming tool. I am going to familiarize you with the buttons and display. The mode button can toggle the programmer between ISET, which is current expressed in milliamps, and VSET for voltage. All Fulham programmable drivers are constant current devices and need to be set into the ISET mode. The read button allows you to review your last setting. The program button sets the driver to the desired current, and the toggle button allows you to designate current up and down as needed. The programmer is powered via the included power cable with a USB end. Power can come from a battery pack and its companion charging cable for convenience and portability, or it can come from the included adapter that allows the device to run off a standard outlet. The current is set via the programming cable. The end that connects the driver has a unique pitchfork shape. The input for programming is designated as the RSET port. Both the programming cable and the RSET port have a polarity that must be matched in order to program properly. While Fulham 40 and 60 watt indoor drivers use inputs directly on the driver, our family of outdoor drivers use leads which need to be hardwired. This can be achieved by using the adapter tool as shown. You are now ready to program. First, you will have to identify the milliamp setting on the dead driver, and this can typically be found on the label. In this case, we will assume the dead driver was 440 milliamps. Take a blank driver off your shelf and plug it in as previously shown. Use the toggle button to dial up the current. By holding down the toggle, it will cause the current to jump up by 10 milliamps at a time for quicker setting. Once you have reached the desired setting, simply press the program button and your driver is set. You can always double check your work by pressing the read button and the display will flash the most recent setting. Fulham drivers are also reprogrammable as shown so that a driver that may have been returned to a distributor by one customer can be reprogrammed and used by another customer for no wasted product on your shelf. Finally, you will need to match the wattage of the Fulham driver to the wattage of the non-working fixture in the field. While you need to exactly match the milliamp setting to run the fixture in the field correctly, the wattage setting is more forgiving and can be assigned by assuming the higher wattage that might be correct. For example, Fulham makes 40 and 60 watt indoor drivers. If your customer suspects that the fixture in question was a 50 watt device, for example, but is not sure, then use a 60 watt driver and program it to the correct milliamp setting. Thank you for watching. For more information, either contact Fulham directly or your manufacturer's representative agent.